Meaning of heap.
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 Heap. In computer science, a heap is a specialized tree-like data structure that satisfies the heap property, where each parent node is ordered with respect to its children. This ordering can be maximum or minimum, depending on the type of heap used. A common implementation of a heap is the binary heap, which is used for efficient priority queue operations such as finding the minimum or maximum element in a collection of elements. The heap is often used in algorithms such as heapsort, which leverages the heap's efficient organization and manipulation of elements to sort an array in place.